Good afternoon, traders. Today's Wednesday. I'm just doing a quick video on tomorrow's watch list. Market finished at highs today, so everyone that's saying it's bearish, I don't know how you get that until we hold below 1216. I'm bullish, and I'll continue buying on dips. Over the last week, every single time the market sold off, like it did right here, if you just purchased FAS and just held it, you've been making a lot of money. It's been putting out 40 to 60 cent moves all day. It actually rallied over a point today off its lows. Main plays for tomorrow. We're looking at NTAP. That's the number one thing I'm watching tomorrow. Look at this thing. Beautiful, beautiful daily time frame. You have accumulation going on down here with the volume increasing, and tomorrow there's a good chance it could trade over 7 million shares. And it broke that key technical level, which we put in on December 3rd, around 54.57. That's where I got in today for the day trade. It flagged right here. You see this little consolidation. And then we had a beautiful, beautiful move up. Nice trade. And we finished up at high, so that's definitely one we're watching. Another one is AMP. All financials were on fire today, even Bank of America, and that's a strange thing because the SEC came out something about suing them yesterday. That's a bunch of BS, pretty much. I mean, we already know that Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, JP Morgan, any of these top investment firms, they will never have any allegations held in court against them because they are connected to the government. Just like you will never see insider trading, nothing with them. Alright, here we go. Our alert needs to be set over this previous high, and the exact number is 5506. Alright, so you need to have your price level at 5506. But your alert needs to be set at today's high, which we finished at around 50. Set your alert at 5540. We need to hold that level for a move up to 5580. Look at PNC. Wow, amazing. Look at this daily. Also, I just want to show you a couple other stocks. Goldman Sachs looking really good on the daily time frame. If we could get over 166.45, I'm going to be taking a long. COF. Look at this bar right here. Huge, huge bar. Amazing move. Guys, this is one of the best days that we had in a while. Also, we want to look at LNC, which finished up 7.5% today. Look at that bar. On almost triple the volume. Texas Instruments continues to climb higher. Qualcomm also looking good on a daily time frame. If we could hold above this 49.01 level on Qualcomm, that's where I'm going to set my alert. We're going to look for a move back up to the 49.45 high that we put in on November the 4th. Ever since Apollo put in this low at 33.75, it continued to rally. And something interesting about this, which I wanted to point out, everyone had their alert set at 39, which is the high of this gap down. And when we try to retest it here, 3 days, me and a couple other traders kept trading this stock, anticipating the big move above here, and we thought we'd maybe get a 50% retracement, or at least up to the 100-day moving average around the 42.5 level. So that didn't happen. They sold it off, and we just continued down. Now there's been some massive buying, so we are going to look to break this 39 level once again. It's going to be interesting in the next few days. It might gap up tomorrow and consolidate, but we're still looking for that 42.5 move over the next month in Apollo. Salesforce.com making new 52-week highs today. Here's the daily time frame. It was a beautiful move over yesterday's highs, which were 149.70. And then after we got over that level, we just shot higher. Ags are looking pretty bearish here. Look at Monsanto having another sell-off today. I was going to day trade this thing if it held above 61.43. I was actually looking for it to hold right here for that other leg up, but they failed. So Monsanto's bearish. In the daily time frame, things could get really nasty, especially when you look at Mosaic. Mosaic looks bearish once again, but it's basically just been consolidating in this level right here, this ascending triangle. But if it breaks down, that's definitely going to cause some selling down to the 100-day moving average of 61.29. And then I'll just look at potash. Another one had a massive decline. It really plummeted hard from 142 to 138, 4 points on the open. And we ended around tomorrow. If we have some more selling, we're going to look for the 100-day moving average as some support, maybe make a bounce play off of that. But there's really been some great opportunities in the markets. If you know what you're doing and you have the proper levels. If you guys use Thinkorswim, these lines that you see that are colored, the ones that aren't blue, are floor trader pivots, and the ones that are blue are the pivot points, which are calculated on a daily time frame. See, these are weekly and monthly, the different colored ones, which the traders on the floor watch. But these ones work pretty well, and I've been trading off these and making decent returns. So if you have Thinkorswim, I'd advise that you use them. I think it would be beneficial. MIPS, the stock, you know, it had that huge run up, and now it's just starting to decline slowly. I'm not a big fan of it anymore. I was when it was in play, but we'll see what happens. Maybe we could get a move to the 50-day tomorrow. All right, my alert is set in Altera over today's high of 38.08. We have a pivot at 38.12, so set your alert at 38.14 on ALTR. And what we want to see is it needs to hold at least above today's high, which was 38.08, for us to get a move higher. And here's another one, maybe for a day trade or something. I'm not going to recommend any alerts, but it's Vera Bradley. I think that it's retail. I'm not 100%. Symbol VRA. It's had a pretty rapid move from 22 to 36 in just 2 months. So we had a massive decline on the open from almost 4 points. That's a big move on the $30-something stock. So you know what? I'm going to set 31.56 as an alert. And if we hold below that, maybe we can start looking for another short. Alright, I'm looking at Halliburton right here, and we don't have a confirmed sell signal on the PPS yet, but it looks pretty bearish on the daily time frame. Maybe we could get a move back down to the 20-day moving average in the next few days. So I'm going to set the alert at 39.80, which was today's low, for a short. Alright traders, that's all I have today. I got to get going to an appointment, but good luck trading tomorrow, and I'm going to try to get out an intraday day trading video tomorrow. If not, I'll go ahead and get the watch list out for Friday. Enjoy your evening.